guys, again, hi, Sir Mark here. So from the previous part of our video, Sir Dwayne has already explained and showed you how to perform the different classical chemical tests for the determination of protein in urine. So we have again ketone acid and sulfosalicylic acid. Now, at this part, I'll now teach you how to perform the test on the chemical determination of glucose. And that test is known as your Benedict's test. Now, Benedict's test follows the principle of copper reduction. If your urine has glucose or other reducing sugars, it will reduce copper into cuprous oxide, which usually appears color red as a red precipitate. Alright? So for this procedure, what we need is again your Benedict's reagent. Okay, as you can see, it's color blue. Alright? And your pasture pipette, of course, for dispensing. Test tube holder, since again this test uses heat. Alright? And your urine specimen. Alright. So for the first step, we need to measure about 5 ml of your Benedict's reagent. So I've already measured it. Okay, so that's 5 ml of your Benedict's reagent. Okay, next step is we first add or dispense this Benedict's reagent, 5 ml, to your labeled test tube. Alright? Okay, so we'll now dispense. Alright, okay. So that's first your Benedict's reagent. Again, 5 ml of Benedict's reagent. Alright, after dispensing the Benedict's reagent, we'll now add your urine specimen, 8 to 10 drops. For this procedure, I'll use 10 drops of our urine specimen. So again, using a pasture pipette, just count 10. 9, 10. Alright, okay. After dispensing 10 drops of your urine specimen, we'll cover the tube again with your parafilm. Okay. Alright, so we'll cover. Alright. And we'll invert to mix. Okay? 2 to 3 times. Alright. Now, this is again now ready for the next part, which is heating of the tube. Now for the next part, we'll now pass this tube through the flame for about 2 minutes. So there should be vigorous boiling for about 2 minutes. So before that, again, we'll remove the parafilm. Okay? And using a test tube holder, again, hold the test tube using a test tube holder in the middle. Alright? Okay? And hold it like this. Okay? Alright? And pass the test tube again through the flame. Alright? Until it boils for about 2 minutes. Again, the mouth of the tube should not be facing you or any of your classmates to avoid any injury. Alright? Okay. So for now, we'll steady the flame because again, if we keep on moving it, it will spurt out, okay, when it boils. So we'll just steady the flame at the middle of the tube to avoid spurting out when it comes to boiling, when it will boil. So here, as you can see, we're starting to form what we call as your cuprous oxide, the precipitate. Once again, if your urine has glucose, because glucose will act as your reducing sugar, reducing copper to cuprous oxide. So, right? So you can see the change in color from blue to having about a reddish or brownish precipitate. And we'll wait until it boils. After heating, we'll cool it down again for a few minutes until waiting for the result. And your result usually will range from clear blue, negative, to about orange precipitate like this, which means that contains really a lot of glucose. Alright?